Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of intermediate algorithm scripting series. The title is Everything Be True. Check if predicate, that is second argument in this case, this one, and in this case this one, is true 3 and on all elements of a collection, that is first argument, this one. In other words, you are given an array collection of objects. The predicate pre will be an object property and you need to return true if value is truthy, otherwise return false. In JavaScript, truthy values are the values that translate to true when evaluated in Boolean context. Remember, you can access object properties through either dot notation or bracket notation. It should be very easy. Return collection and we will use every to check every object, pass in element and return element, and we will pass pre here. So if the objects have property with the value that consists in pre, then it will return true. In cases where we have truthy values, otherwise it will return false. Let's run the tests and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.